Energy-efficient window replacement. New Orleans is a smart upgrade for homes and businesses across New Orleans, Louisiana, especially when reducing heat transfer, lowering utility bills, and improving indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows can help manage the humid Gulf Coast climate while supporting better insulation in uptown New Orleans, the Garden District, and the French Quarter. With professional window measurement and precise window installation, New Orleans, Louisiana, property owners can improve performance with replacement windows that fit older homes, modern buildings, and historic architecture. Residential window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana is one of the most effective ways to improve curb appeal, comfort, and property value. From custom windows to vinyl windows, homeowners can choose solutions that match style and function, including casement windows, sliding windows, bay windows, and awning windows. Window upgrades can also include window sealing, window frame repair, and window glass replacement to address drafts, moisture, and age-related wear. For anyone searching for affordable window replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, a local window company, New Orleans, Louisiana, can provide options tailored to neighborhood styles and budget goals. Hurricane window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana is essential for protecting properties from severe weather, high winds, and flying debris in coastal Louisiana. Impact windows and hurricane-resistant windows are designed for stronger performance, while impact window installation. New Orleans, Louisiana helps secure homes and commercial spaces with durable, code-conscious solutions. In areas like the French Quarter window replacement market and Garden District window replacement projects, homeowners often want protection without sacrificing appearance, making custom window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana a practical choice for both resilience and design. Commercial window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana supports offices, storefronts, hospitality properties, and mixed-use buildings throughout New Orleans, Louisiana. Window contractors. New Orleans, Louisiana can handle large-scale window replacement, window retrofit projects, and window upgrades that improve energy performance, visibility, and security. Whether a business needs window repair and replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, window frame repair, or full commercial window replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, working with experienced window installers. New Orleans, Louisiana ensures efficient scheduling and quality results for commercial properties near downtown, mid-city, and the central business district. Vinyl window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana remains a popular option because vinyl windows deliver low maintenance, durability, and solid energy savings. Replacement windows. New Orleans, Louisiana in vinyl styles can be customized in double-pane window installation, New Orleans, Louisiana, or triple-pane configurations for even better thermal performance. Property owners looking for window replacement near me. New Orleans, Louisiana often choose vinyl because it balances affordability and long-term value, especially when paired with professional window installation. New Orleans, Louisiana from trusted window contractors. New Orleans, Louisiana serving the entire metro area. Window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana is ideal when the frame is still in good condition but panes are damaged, fogged, cracked, or inefficient. Double-pane windows and soundproof windows can reduce noise from busy streets, rail lines, and nightlife areas, while also improving indoor comfort. For homes and apartments across uptown New Orleans and the Garden District, window sealing and precision window measurement are key to getting the most out of replacement windows. New Orleans, Louisiana. If the project calls for it, window frame repair can extend the life of existing openings before a full window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana is needed. Sliding window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana and casement window installation. New Orleans, Louisiana offer flexible design choices for homeowners wanting fresh airflow, modern operation, and easy maintenance. Bay window replacement. New Orleans, Louisiana can enhance architectural character and create more natural light, while awning windows are useful for ventilation during frequent rain. Custom windows allow better fitting for older homes, historic properties, and unique openings found throughout French Quarter window replacement projects and other neighborhoods. Window installers. New Orleans, Louisiana can recommend the best style based on layout, exposure, and performance goals. Best window replacement company in New Orleans searches often lead property owners to professionals who understand local building needs, climate conditions, and neighborhood-specific requirements. A local window company, New Orleans, Louisiana, can provide window replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, residential window replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, and commercial window replacement, New Orleans, Louisiana, with a focus on service and craftsmanship. Whether the need is replacement windows, New Orleans, Louisiana, window installation, New Orleans, Louisiana, or window contractors, New Orleans, Louisiana, for larger renovation, experienced teams help make window replacement near me, New Orleans, Louisiana, a smoother process from start to finish.